Hi guys, with another video. So if you have like this kind of rusty tools, as you see how rusty, look. And what I did, I had a tool, that this tools, I put the lemon inside like this, and I let it stay in 1 week or 2 weeks inside of this. And look, let's see what happened. Let me see what is it. Okay, see, look, turns this way. As you see, all the rust is gone and came with same color as before. This was so rusty. Look, now it's like still needs to clean, but it was like this. Look, it's maybe I need to leave it inside a little while too, and yeah, but it helps. Look at this. Yeah, it's getting better. Look, getting shiny. It was really, it was like this rusty. So what are you gonna do if you have a lemon? Just squeeze it in small, like this cup, and cover it with cover, and then after that leave it inside 1 week. Then after that you will see the result like this, but still needs to stay and clean. But it's overall, look at this. Yeah, it's a big difference between before and after. Yeah. Okay guys, yeah, this is it. And as you see, thank you for watching. See you soon with another video.